Hey guys, I just wanted to show you something that I honestly didn't know. I just found now. As you all know, Vacation Express is my favorite place to book all-inclusives for the Caribbean and Mexico. So once you log in, if you click on this right here to the left that says packages, it will come up right here, vacation package deals with airfare. And just pick the city you're looking for. I'm going to pick Columbus, Ohio. I'm going to choose Riviera Maya. And then when you scroll down, I try to stay away from some of the budget friendly. These all look pretty good though. They're all 4-star and above, but just go ahead and do that. And then click, I'm going to do October 13th at this one. Wait till it loads. Super slow right now. And there we are. So it actually brought up all of these. The one I was looking at is down here towards the bottom. I was actually looking at the Fairmont. And the reason I was looking at that is because if you go over here, you see this dollar sign, this orange dollar sign. That means it is double the commission right now. So every month they do certain ones that are double commission. So I'm going to click Beach Area Casita King Bed. And if you click right here where it says what it is, it will open up and show you what that room is. Super nice. So once we get in here, I'm going to show you. Okay, it's at 6 nights for 2 adults. If you look at the top, I am on a charter flight. It's actually Cincinnati. It switched on me when I put Columbus, but that's okay. We'll just do Cincinnati. If you look, it says does not include $35 per adult per day resort fee payable at resort. Round trip shared transfers. Now, if you look down here, you can do private transfers for $128 versus the shared. So we're going to remove that shared, which is 154. So just click that little, remove that. Sorry, it's so slow today. And then we're going to add round trip private transfers for $128. Just click that little box and then be patient. It will add it. All right. And then I always add on vacation protection insurance. This one is always only allowing me to choose the VIP or VPI, I'm sorry. And if you click on that, it will tell you exactly what VPI covers. Usually they have different choices, VPP, VPP plus VPI. Apparently this hotel only offers VPI, so we're going to click that. And I'm going to advertise this price on my Facebook page. However, if somebody would actually book it, I would go ahead and go to Allianz Insurance and quote their insurance and compare because this one's 358. Allianz could be cheaper. Even if it's not cheaper, I will give my clients the option of either this insurance, which is VPI, or the option of Allianz insurance because they both have different coverages. And I will send like a screenshot or a snippet to my client to let them know the coverages. Okay, so this commission amount is $1,102. Now, it's actually 20% commission, which will be probably close to double that. I'm not sure exactly what percent we're commission this is at. It doesn't say, but it does not show it here. It won't show it until you actually book it, and then it will adjust to the 20% commission. So literally, this would be about $2,000 commission if somebody would book this. But I just wanted to let you guys know how to do this. I'm going to save the itinerary so I can go back and make a Facebook post with it. So just to recap, when you log in, when you sign into Vacation Express, just click Packages, top left, and then scroll down and pick a city you want to leave from. I picked Columbus, Riviera Maya, and if I would have read more carefully, see at the top it says Riviera Maya, fun for all, nonstop flights from Cincinnati, deals worth the drive from Columbus. So that's why it switched it on me. And then I just clicked one of these blue dates and did a mock-up from there. Hopefully that helps you guys.